Hello there. Guess what? I know y'all get tired of me saying it, but I'd be so happy when Tablescape Tuesday come. It's Tablescape Tuesday time. And yes, this is May's Design Corner, and I am going to be participating in this collab because I love sunflowers. Tablescape Tuesday and sunflowers. What a combination. Y'all don't forget John 3:16. I'm not going to repeat it to you, but you know what it is. And you know the greatest love of all was John 3:16. And I would like to say hello to the host of the Sunflowers Tablescape Tuesday. Is honor of the Grace Life DIY Home and Decor. Okay, y'all, if I shake, I told you that before. If I'm shaking, I don't mean to. Age catching fast up with me, but I love it. Ooh, I'm just so thankful to God for being able to be here yet another day and again. So without any more ado, here I go down to Tablescape Tuesday. The host is Honor of the Grace Life DIY and Sunflowers. I'm going to go all the way down so you can see how I set this sunflower decor. And also, I would like to tell you all, please go on down to the playlist, y'all, and check it out and give Honor a note to let her know that May's Design Corner sent you, and then go on down and look at how pretty those ladies making those tablescapes. Oh, Lord have mercy, they make some good tablescapes. Y'all need to start participating. Instead of looking, participate. Just put a sunflower on the table and take a video of it. Just put something on the table and take a video of it. This is our community. We need to start doing things in our community because it's all for us, all for one and one for all. And look, y'all, don't forget to pray for someone else besides yourself because God is alive and well, no matter how things look. And sometimes things can be looking so bad, but honey, God's still in charge. All right, now let me shut up and show you exactly what I've done. All my stuff is stuff I already had at my house. Mostly all my videos are things I already had at my house. Y'all, I don't go out and buy too many things because I got a house full of stuff now. I can't get rid of it. I wish somebody would come and just take it. But okay, here we go. As you see, these plates are from Dollar Tree. Now, I'm going to have to move my hand and I'm just going to shake. Okay, there you go. This is a napkin. You remember these Dollar Tree napkins? They probably still got them now, but I'm not sure. I'm going to put that over there. This is a Dollar Tree plate. I know you remember this plate Dollar Tree had. And this is the old one. They got a new version out now. And then this is a Dollar Tree napkin. And then that's a charger. That's a thrift store charger. So I'm going to put that back there and put it there. And these are just plastic spoons that I use. I put the color yellow and kind of like orangey out. So it'll look good. Yep. And then here is a wine glass and a margarita glass right there. So, and on the same side here, I have the same thing on this side as well. It's a 2 for 2. It's a table set for 2. And you know what this is, y'all? I improvise and use everything. We had a church set up one time, and I had the whole table decorated with pillowcases underneath underneath everything, and everybody thought it was so pretty. You got to use your head and think to cut back on things when you are trying to decorate for large things. Think about things that you can use so you don't have to spend a whole lot of money. And then back here, you see, I've had these platters for a long, long time. I bought these platters in 19 something. Lord have mercy. I think the store I got them from is closed now. But I bought 2 platters, 2 big plates. These are the bowls. I got 2 platters and I think these are the bowls. But I had two of these and two big platters, and I got them from a place that used to sell big, beautiful things like that. And my husband took me there one day, and he let me get pick what I want, and that's what I picked: the sunflowers. So this is my tablescape for Tablescape Tuesday, which Anna is the host, Anna of the Grace Life DIY Home and Decor. And please go on down that playlist and take a look at it here. I didn't add any music this time. I'm just talking with my voice, and I hope my voice is okay for you. But y'all, go on, please check the playlist out and look, comment, and give them a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. I would truly love to get your subscription. I really would like for you to subscribe, and I'm quite sure all the ladies would like for you to subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so very much for looking at the table, and I hope that you find some inspiration to set your table. And always know that you don't have to always go out and buy things. You can use some things that you never thought about in your house that you can use to make a beautiful tablescape. And you can even make a beautiful table for someone that you're setting up to as well without buying a whole lot of stuff. This is May's Design Corner saying thank you so very much for looking. I pray that God keep you in his care. Don't forget to pray, because you know what, y'all? Regardless of what you say, prayer really works. This is May's Design Corner saying adieu. God bless you. Love, peace, and honor unto you.